And what's up, YouTube? So just going to do a quick install today. So if you looked at any of my other videos, you know, if you don't ride, motorcycle batteries do not last as long as car batteries. So today I'm going to install my battery terminal leads for Tinder, yeah. So shouldn't take too long. Just figured I'd do a quick video on it since it's Sunday, fun day, quarantine day. I don't know what number, but who's counting? So figured I'd get it done. I've had it sitting around the house for a little while, but anyway, I've already taken the liberty of getting the seat started to take off. Just go ahead and finish this up a little bit more. I highly recommend that if you do not already have a system set up to keep your battery trickle charged, that you do so. So, you know, you don't have to do what I did in one of my other videos called the jump off, which is jump my battery every time I don't get a chance to ride or the weather is unpermitting, or in times like this where pretty much the entire state is on lockdown. So anyway, 808 Moto Lifestyles coming to you live and direct. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove my seat. One of the things is with this, you want to figure out where you want to mount the pigtail. I'm thinking maybe down here. Yep. The reason why I really don't want to mount it in under my rear seat is because it's pretty crowded already. I have yeah, nope, way too much stuff back there. I'll give you a good picture of this later, but reason why is it's already a ton of cables and wires back here, and I'm not going to add to the madness back there. Actually, there doesn't even want to go back on now. So reason being is I have an alarm back there installed. I got quite a few other things installed back there as well that I can't think of off the top of my head, but oh yeah, auto tuner. But anyway, so first things first, I need to go ahead and disconnect the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But before I do that, I want to kind of get a trace of where, not a trace if per se, but I'm thinking maybe I should just go ahead and see the positioning of my cables. It's just kind of loose, kind of don't like that, but that's an easy fix. I'll take care of that once I'm done. So all right, let's see. And this one does come with a fuse. Let's see if I can get this off. Yep, so it comes with a, hopefully this is in focus, a 15 amp fuse. And snap that back in place. You kind of just want to pin it right there using some zip ties. Of course, your red is going to be your hot. Your red and black is going to be your negative. Let's see, let's get up. There we go. Okay, cool. Because what I'm trying to see is with the excess wire where I can yeah, just like that. And come over here. See how much of an issue it would be, if any, with the excess wire. I think that just may work, to be honest. Yep. Okay, cool. So we're going to try that. All right, so reconnected the positive and the negatives. Just gonna snug them on down. That's pretty much it. I need to get some zip ties for the excess. Video, thank you. So, tie that back down. And I'll find some zip ties and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So basically, zip tie that. I should think one would be enough. And I'm just gonna cut the excess. And let's see. So we can see you got a little bit of extra wiring up here. So just trying to keep that out of the way as much as possible. I think that'll do her. All right. That there. And just try to see if the seat will fit without any issues. And yep, that's it. seat fits, no problems. So it's a quick and easy install of pigtails for your battery tender leads. Keep from having to jump your battery and save yourself some time, and eventually, of course, save yourself your battery, because the more and more it keeps going completely dead, the more and more you have to keep jumping it. If I'm not mistaken, the faster the battery actually will die. So that's it. 808 Moto Lifestyles coming at you live and direct. Mahalo and aloha for watching. What's up, YouTube? Yours truly, 808 Moto Lifestyles, coming to you live and direct from Honolulu, Hawaii. Hope everybody enjoyed my video of just a quick, simple install for the battery trickle charge pigtails. Real easy, as you see in the video, a few minutes to take care of. But I really just wanted to hopefully remind everybody that they're out there taking care of themselves and their families during this time of social impact surrounding COVID-19. So everybody can do their part by adhering to local, federal, and state laws. With that in mind, remember your social distancing, take care of one another, just be generous, and I think we'll all be all right at the end of this. Just be positive and optimistic, and again, just do your part by only going out when necessary. If you're essential personnel as far as work goes, handle your business, but people that's going out and just thinking it's all fun and games, you'll be the ones that go out there thinking nothing of it and bring something back to your family members. So just keep that in mind. You may think it's no big deal, or I'm only doing this, I'm only going here, just a quick ride, or just whatever. That's kind of selfish. It's kind of a dick move, to be honest. Because again, you won't be the one that get impacted. It's going to impact someone in your family or someone else's family, and that's going to be the problem. And you're going to have to live with that. Kind of the same thing goes along with those that choose to drink and drive. They normally walk away from it a lot of the times, but the devastation that they leave for other friends and family to now make their new norm is totally unnecessary. So stay home. You don't like your family? Get to like them. Remember, we all in this together, whether you want to be in it or not. This is worldwide and global. So it's going to be our new norm for a little while, so do your part. Stay at home or only travel when necessary. Aside from that, man, look here. Again, creators, now's the time to challenge yourselves. Create some content, come up with some new ideas, or just stay active. Keep your mind active, and you won't even worry about being able to not being able to go out and do what you normally do. So anyway, enough of my ranting.